Hello ka-umami! Panibagong pagkain na naman po ang ating imumukbang ngayon na first time namin matitikman dahil in-order pa namin ito from Japan. Ayan, ito po yung tinatawag na pasatay dati.
Mangkapun huwa klasun.
Mangkapun huwa klasun. In English, jellyfish.
Cannonball jellyfish.
Cannonball jellyfish. Ayan, mali-mali.
Really big na.
Ang lalaki. At in-order niya po ito ng dry at ibinabad namin sa tubig. We soaked in water for overnight and then blanch it for around 10 seconds. Yun lang. At ganito na po siya. Jiggly-jiggly. Ano kaya ang lasa? At meron po tayong tatlong klase ng sausawan Thai dipping sauce. Ito po yung parang may bagoong na anghang. Ito naman yung tinatawag na Thai seafood sauce, yung kulay green, na maraming coriander or cilantro. And, what is this, Daddy?
Mukata.
Mukata sauce. Yung ginagamit nila sa kanilang mga barbecue.
Yes.
Ayan, tikman natin. Are you excited?
Yes.
Let's try it.
Super.
Super excited. Ayan. I want the small one. Kasi,
small first na.
let's try the small one. Bakit magkakaiba sila ng lasa. Okay. What sauce do you want to try first?
Pala.
I want the bagoong. Okay. Cheers! Cheers! Ano kaya ang lasa, Daddy?
Chim kon.
Okay. Wow!
Wow!
Sabay tayo, Daddy. With onions po ito at mga lime. Wow! Try it. Crunchy, crunchy! Ang anghang! Wow! Do you like it? I like it.
Masarap.
Yung crunchy niya, hindi naman matigas. Kailangan mong nguyain mabuti.
Sauce ko alot.
And I like the sauce, yeah.
Sauce masarap.
Nabibili lang po ito sa mga 7-Eleven dito sa Thailand.
Cheers.
Wow. Sarap.
Okay.
Want to eat onion? So how did you find this food?
From internet.
Mahilig po siya manood ng mga mukbang.
Pok mukbangker in Thailand ไง they กำลังfever แมงกะพรุนหัวกระสุน Cannonball jellyfish.
Dito po ay sobrang viral nitong mga ganitong jellyfish ngayon. Kaya na-curious siya kung ano yung lasa. And let's try the other sausawan.
Okay, next.
Wait! How much did you buy it?
This one.
Order niya online.
I buy from Lazada.
Yeah.
1,000 per kilogram.
So how many kilo is this?
1 kilo.
Ay, ang mahal. In Thailand, how much they sell it?
If in restaurant นะ Japanese restaurant
Yeah.
big like this.
Yeah.
400 baht per piece.
400 baht per piece?
Yeah.
That is around 600 pesos at mahigit pa.
If
Grabe naman.
If in market, they also have some market have.
Kaya online na lang mas mura.
If small, 200 baht. Bigger 300 baht.
Bili ko na ang tilapia dati.
Yeah, because now just new. Just
bago
new
pa kasi kaya
fever.
sobrang viral pa kaya mahal pa. Yeah. Let's try the other sauce.
Okay.
Sinipon na agad ako.
Next. Okay.
Gustong piliin lang yung maliliit kasi nakakabusog siya.
The bigger na.
Yeah. And this is seafood sauce.
Seafood sauce. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Okay.
Piling ko mas masarap tong seafood sauce. Cheers!
Yes. Seafood sauce ก็อร่อยครับเปรี้ยวเผ็ด
Ang ganitong seafood sauce po ay made of green chilies, and coriander, and what do you call this na? Thai lime. Ayan, kaya napakasarap at mabango. Masarap.
Sarap, sarap.
Yeah, this is our first time to buy in 7-Eleven. Ng mga ganitong sauce. Masarap pala. Wow.
Super crunchy.
Kailangan mo siyang, you need to chew it very well, no? Kasi hindi siya kusang nadudurog.
Really good.
เผ็ดมากแล้ว
เนี่ยเผ็ด spicy
อันนี้เผ็ดมาก sobrang anghang po ng kanilang seafood sauce. Pero ganyan talaga yan. Ayaw nila pag hindi maanghang. Grabe ang anghang.
Ama, next.
Grabe oh. Yung pinaka-puwitan po niya, malambot-lambot. And the upper side is matigas. At itong mga galamay niya, malambot yung pagka-crunchy. It's like you're eating soft bone of chicken or pork.
Soft ball.
Soft bone.
Soft
Kladukon.
bone. Yeah.
Yung mga malambot na buto ng baboy o manok na minsan ay kinakain natin. Parang ganun po siya, no? That's right, the third sausawan.
น้ำจิ้มหมูกระทะ
Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Pakaanghang. Cheers.
Cheers.
Kailangan pipikit-pikit ka. Ang sasarap ng sausawan. It's like,มันสนุกเฉยๆน้ำจิ้มก็อร่อยเนาะ
อร่อยน้ำจิ้มอร่อยทุกอย่าง
Para lang siyang it's fun to eat. At nakaka-curious nga. At yung mga sauce po talaga ang magpapasarap. I want to go back to my bagoong. Grabe, ang anghang. I like this too.
The most I like is bagoong.
Ito, kailang napakaanghang.
You like this? Okay. It's okay. Depend, no?
Yeah. So, ayun lang mga ka-umami. Kung gusto nyo rin makatikim ng ganitong klase ng jellyfish, cannonball jellyfish, lalagay po namin sa comment ang details kung saan pwede makabili. At ganoon na rin sa ating mga sausawan. Sa mga magta-Thailand or sa mga laging nagtatanong if where we can buy this kind of sausawan, you can find them in 7-Eleven, sa mga grocery store, mga shopping mall, kahit saan meron po yung mga ganitong sausawan. Basahin nyo lang yung mga labels dahil merong may bagoong, merong mga Thai lime lang, mga patis, ayan, barbecue sauce, ayan, meron naman silang mga label na English, of course. Madali lang hanapin. Ang anghang. Yeah, super maanghang. So, ayun lang mga ka-umami. Sana ay nag-enjoy na naman kayo. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe.